Okay, question number 37 on page 34. There's a lot of directions. The first direction to tell you that yx and yz are opposite rays. That means they share a point because they're opposite rays. That means they go in completely opposite directions, and so the x, y, and z, that's a straight line. Then it tells you that YU, it's a ray, here's YU bisects angle ZYW. So the word bisect means that it's taking this angle and breaking it into two smaller congruent angles. So bisect means it's dividing it directly through the middle. And then it also tells you that YT is also, it bisects X, Y, W. So again, this ray is directly in the middle, which means these two smaller angles are going to be congruent. Okay, number 37 tells you that the measurement of angle WYZ, so this whole angle here, is 82 degrees. And that the measure of ZYU is 4R plus 25. And it wants us to find R. So you could do this one of two ways. The first way, which I'll probably do, is that because this is 4y plus 25, this would have to be 4y plus 25, which means the two of these together, the two smaller angles, has to equal the big one, which is 82. So I could combine those two smaller angles, which would give me 8r and 50, and that's going to equal 82. So then I can subtract the 50 and divide by 8 and get that r is 4. The other option is I could say, well, if that whole angle is 82 and it's been bisected, that means each smaller piece would be 41. So I could do 4r plus 25 equals 41. I could subtract 25, which would give me 16. And then I would divide by 4, and I would get that r is 4. And that's all I'm asked to do, is to find r. If you want to, you can take this 4, plug it back in. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 25 is equal to 41. And